Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of Dropbox in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set an expiration date for a Dropbox link that you have created. This approach works on certain types of Dropbox accounts, but not all types of Dropbox accounts, and maybe what you'll see here is a little bit different than what you'll experience when you try to do it yourself. So just a little bit of a warning about that. And also just a disclaimer, you should follow Dropbox's terms and conditions when you do use Dropbox. So let's get started here. And here's what I've done. This is Dropbox.com. I've loaded it up in a web browser. It doesn't matter what web browser you're using. It doesn't matter what operating system you're using. All it matters is you have a Dropbox account and you're able to load it up. And the Dropbox account is one where you have created links. This is my home page. What you want to do, open up Dropbox.com, log in, go to Shared, and then you'll see a list of recent files. You don't want that. You want to go to Links at the top here. Actually, I'm going to blow that up so people can see it more easily. So let's go to Links. Okay, here is a file, and I've created a link for it, but what I want to do is I want to set the link to expire. And the common reason is maybe you don't want the link to be floating around forever. So click on this, find the file, and then click on this icon over here. It's the More Actions icon. You'll have two options. One is to delete the link. Other one here is to go to Link Settings, because I just created a link. I don't want to delete it right away. Okay, so you'll find the sharing settings here, but what you want to do is click on this. And you'll see here, expiration. Disable this link on a specific date. You may also see a message like this. It will prompt you to upgrade. I have Dropbox Plus, but it's trying to upgrade me to Professional. If you have a free Dropbox account, I think you may not be able to see the expiration date, but if you may, depends on how Dropbox has set it up and where you live and what you're paying or what you're not paying. Anyways, go to expiration, click on that slider, and then you'll see a date here. So this, right now, the expiration is set for 1 month from now. If you wanted to, you could set it for even shorter than that. Like, I just created the link today, it's the 3rd. I just want it to last for 1 day. And then I would click Save. If you don't see that particular option, you probably need to upgrade your Dropbox account. And if you don't have that option, you're going to have to manually delete the link after a certain number of days. That's another thing that you can do. For more information on how to get the most out of Dropbox, check out my book, Dropbox in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And you can see more of my videos and blog posts on in30minutes.com. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.